Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the CheapOair application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application provides options to search and book for flights, hotels and cars. You can check it at the search bar. If you click on either of them and type the required things like destination, airport, departure date and so on, you can search and also book them within this application. You can also check out your rewards and your current membership, and by collecting points with different things you get to be on a higher membership with the help of your points. Then of course you can see the previous trips that you've been on, and then check out the best deals that are available. At this section you can edit and check out your account, and you can set different things. So overall the use of the application is very easy, and it's a great app to use for searching for flights, hotels and cars. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.